Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Sorry, I forgot to put out these pictures in Manuai. Sometimes you forget some certain things. A water go. Sorry guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your angle you're watching me from. Please, I have updates. Think I'm in day one. I'm a busy person. Day one. Please share the video as you're joining. I'm not gonna share video today. If they may, things they happen. On a day. Can they share updates? Eh? Can they share updates? I'm going to make your updates. You better gather here. Update no be your mate. If the over, or could you over? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Amen. Share this program as you are joining. Udele. I don't know why they are not telling people the truth. I heard that one of your charge and bear lawyer, who a human fake rights activist, is there saying that your fundamental rights has been taken away from you. Then I begin to wonder, what is your fundamental rights? You don't even have fundamental or funky rights. You do not have fundamental, more or less, of the rights. Please, you share this video before my ban up, because soon I share hoya. When I not go here update you. Information, share the video. Tiga can share button, alert your neighbor. You know, I don't know what is happening on my pages. Please, then we got a lot of attack on my pages, and Facebook are sending me a lot of notifications. This thing has been my problem on social media. Even Omua with their pen. I mean, Ofunya na baka rock. Hey, chief pilot. Ofunya na baka na di ofunya alumo. Gigo ofunya loba go get break your wings again. You need pata. Come on, I got patara. Only got patara because had him too rugged. So he got one and dana to pay him not to any. So Iomi gave me more labor on my platform. Game again. Get in your can share button. Or the konya potara shower home. Or the konya meeting one your home. And your intention is that a coachana the woman. Emaniga got more zolo bitters. Because the zolo bitters ne palm. You want to go? So he got to knock it and no. So please, as you are joining, Tuturaka na share button na share. Share my neighbor, the enemies even carry my video, they share to them. Hashize sona negi gashi o sona akpande ngwakwe ha. Iwotala tinya kana shabutu mu negi ke bezolo bita asanyi no chere. Echefola mmanya na ekwe something. Where is that my mmanya na ekwe something because kebe no. Mmanya na ekwe something bi here ya hapo no ge ajidonye. Mmanya na ekwe something anu na some people na mezira ni ad ba na over the stairs. The other day, I always tell you guys, and when you have at least someone should. In my am not and I'm flushing on the toilet. They are not my grade in any way. You know me. And when they been on, I'm federal high definition of saga. All these people, they are nobody. What are you meaning here? I'm not one idiot and a promotional bam. Only even only dinner with those who have you seen somebody in a with those who and the worst part of us, I could turn off. Today I am off. Take a manual this eater. Today I'm off. Tinyaka ito ashire. Kawashire authentic information. Tinyaka I'm off. Tinyaka na share button. Ogechi no off. Ogechi no off. Watan. Tinyaka no off. Tinyaka na share button. No getting off. Authentic information. Yeah, this hitter is enough. Okay. Tinyaka off. Hey, give my pack. Hello. Another training. Hey. Yeah, shot. Another training done they say. Hey, shot. Come. We done they said for another. Hey, Chiku got the enemy down you. Chiku got there many law enforcement in my name. You want to go? If you want me to read your comment, be able page OGHOKK in Jakatre. Information Boku. Oh my name will be a very good friend of mine. Okwaya Baliteri na EFCC. I got my the level of KC Bobrisky. And when I'm a very good friend of mine. Oh, when you're married, you better not to abojaga 2 or 3 persons. So, bohaya. Deshia. Na, gauge. And don't make a mistake. Even with this inner kakus. Even with this ote. Even with the highest and the highest on Abuja. So, I'm not paying humana, paying with it. Humana, spiritual and physical. You want to go? So, Tinyaka na share button. Kirik love. Share the program. You want to go? Agama guno. You want to go? So, I'm na mortuary bam. I am the best thing you will offer to your children is education. When I told you that I am against of mortuary bam from Libya to different places to acquire just a basic fundamental of education. Gas school yashimba no war. Or my hair people that does ad. Or my hair people that distributor. She can't even differentiate the two. You see? When I tell you gas school, you want common sense. Gadget. Or my hair people, their job is to do commercial for the drink. Or my hair people that this is you are the distributor. The two different things are very hard for her to understand. J school gishi olo. J school gishi olo. Can you just imagine? I'm in there for a fee. And I don't know what you do. Somebody is the one that was telling me, man, at your church, yare mamono. When I told you that the best thing you will offer to a female children will education, gas school. Wepo aka no, wepo aka na Ghana gitonye na tra wo sunwa peke. I wish the person e po banuru. They were dead meat onye ga apa ye borem. So when you open your mouth, people will also know the level of your stupidity. Alisa was telling me what the I laugh. I say, you see? No, the Ishi skibo. Skibo. My dear, go to school and understand the two different things about the distributor and the people who made the ad. He got a lot of celebrities. They made the ad. You are nothing but a useless at this old age. You can't even differentiate your left and right. That is the most thing. You guys. You guys know who they listen to now. Gas school, logisha ho kaya mata. How can you be? How can you be normal? You will always dance to a stupid movement. No way. Yeah? You see? Guys, you see, you're gonna share button. Can you know the latest updates? The only place you're gonna be him about, like I told you, I was in a high tension. I was because some of them know pan. Onye nwuna didn't also. No bobo garden also was who I became for where nga man no chana nge not today. I should get the ponya nwuna ma. Na hu nge wu enwuru ure bana. Please let me alert all of you. Ako has been very busy. Imagine onye nwuna wo shana ekuru onye dend. Can a dead poor a shower talk to someone like Ako? When he not getting high tension. When they look for your grade, that's why all fingers are not equal. You cannot be here and be jumping to be here. Come on, look for them. Can't you see your circle? The circle of Ndabono. The circle of people that cannot move for stagnant people. Belong there. No, they trespass. You are always trespassing. In our tree belong where you can never be until the day down. Continue Akunagin Abidjan. From Abidjan to South Africa, from South Africa to the, you must continue Akuna lifestyle, okay? Man no kayeje bro suwa beke shaya loladi. Ane bua mat on a bua lebu. Ane bua lebu. Man no kayeje parong shayana endo. Chineke bogo kika ungitonwa. When the paper was sooner child with those Erendo, you can never be alive to talk with a people they are alive. Go to school, understand the meaning of distributor and the people that run the ad. Guys, net yakana share button woto. Echo can comment to be able to okay Jakatri. Eba kanga home. When share the program, can you not update? Basaranum nandu de la nebe. Now nebe. Mawe has from Mauno to the nebe. Mawe got dock a shit that thing like this. Way how much is all barahao on your house. Please, my Enugu people. I'm a distributor of Enugu. And one year, I have paid my money. And a amazing legal documents now. So don't allow a tout to deceive Ndegara school. When you are well informed, don't listen to a tout program. When you are well established, when you are well learned, do not go to Uma Konari school. Brain damaged. Makachi. I still remain the distributor of Enugu with the whole Enugu states. So don't get it toasted. E.T. That money in here. And Jambabu again. Must you open your mouth for people to know that I ain't pastor? Must you open your mouth to shame your stupidity? Oh, that cannot correct you when you are stupid. When you are being mocked, when you caricatured your stupidity. Please, I still remain the distributor in Enugu. Apugomu secure gun my space. No man born by a woman will take it away from me. Okay, they are aware. And my sugar, my darling sugar, Anambra State. You want to go? And the young way Asaba State. Oh, how you name it? And another person, a good friend of mine, got what I get take Imo State. You know? So for you to know, they requested it too much. Oh, why I could be very busy. It will take time from Manageru everywhere. You want to go? Never listen to a tout. A tout I'm who add. And then I want to commercial and the business owners. You a tout cannot differentiate the boats. Who do you listen to? Who nurture your brain? Who are your associates? When the people are so shit. You want to go? So that is it. On download to please click share button share. Zolo Bitters all the way worldwide. Did I hear Balakosa? You are nobody. You don't even count. Ikuroku, you make and give you can give you make and give you. So no need. Zolo beat us all the way. Please, if you are single, you're looking for a job in Enugu. How many local government in them? I think about 15 or 13. That means Enugu Kadanambra local government. I never knew. All these things now matter. So please continue can share button share. If you want me to read your comment, where you will see me is OGHOKK in Jakarta. Join me. Share the program. Can you know the latest updates? All more. Onye na-ebe nwa Jesus na-ebe. Nwa Chukwu na-ebe n'ọgbọ. Onye na-eti nwa Jesus na-eti n'ọgbọ. Mricha ụmụndanda bịa fụrụma. All these people are ụmụndanda. Nnọrọ n'elu eze richa ụmụndanda na-eche mgbe mricha la ha bịa pick ma the food. They got to eat. Oh, Anambra 21 local government. Okay. I think Enugu the how many? Somebody the person was telling me Enugu how many local governments. So Enugu Buribu. Okay, we need Zolebiters in America. Yeah, I could need to work on that. To put them money here with a lot of process. You know, I have to be honest with you. You got a lot of process. Alcohol, how we have just a in America. You got a boost on liquor license. Or who bury here. Now not easy. How can we taking over Chicago now? Can we take over all the Illinois? You what I got? All the states I'll take over. Because Chicago is a city. Take over the Illinois. Enugu is okay, 16 local government I had so. Anambra Bukaribu. That means Anambra the large. Wow. Anambra Bukaribu, you know be small matter. So my sugar, my darling, with the whole Anambra states. What I go? The whole Anambra. Sugar, my darling. Ofu one no number. But in United Kingdom, I don't know about United Kingdom. That's Zion. The processing in America is too much. Unless I'm on the liquor already, they want a liquor license. I can work with them. I don't have the license. It takes a long period. When it can take 5 to 7 years before they will. Oh, bury here. Liquor license, how we have, but anyway, yeah, sugar owns the whole Anambra state. All sugar, Gia. The what I go? Lawyer name sugar. So we are now in paperwork. Business, how business owners. Ijele 50 million, you put it down. Oh, bury here. Saga. Enugu states. Enugu, I have taken up your state because you were poor human trafficker. You can't liberate your state. You can't do shit. I have taken over your state. So one almost upon years of human trafficking, you can't boast for shit. State, wait for me. Enugu, I will take over soon. Enugu. If time is not taken, I'm gonna bear your own state, your own local government story. Biasura la that opportunity through my property. Look at them. Dala. Your local government. If time is not taken, I'm as well. Don't play with me. I am the most dangerous person you want to fuck with. Apple, Ali, cool down. Queen, no, boy. Get messy fair. Guys, click love and share. If you want me to see your comments, I'm on page in attack. The Unagulande get rescue this attack. Click love and like. Follow my page. I'm off for today. I'm a very busy person. I work. Very busy person. My mind is business. It's no ego. I don't now by 5 years. I will not be working so hard like this. I will not be belicha bachara akuna the whole call the whole world. Yeah, and they're up an Uber driver. Chileke Porondo. Look at them. Mama woman chore bam bachara akuna agwara. Ya wo zuma beke ko prala na ebri no lo. Bupa sushi God for ya kwa my generational curse that you are referring it back to them. Bupa soon your lineage will never be like that. Udele. You guys went to court on, I think on Monday, if I'm not mistaken, or Tuesday. Udele. I heard that Imi, Oja. Listen, I'm not the wrong number. I'm not the wrong number. It's a live program. No number can be a program. Udele. Why is it that this guy Imi Oji? Hello? 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 Okay, hold on. It's a speaker. It's a speaker. Go ahead. Tebuko biga mana Chineke shimba nebuko biga dio Zion umu Zion weti ebuko biga diriri na sendere no mi na WhatsApp kam na agu ya na adem mma na obi ndị iro anyị gara gbosi ogbu je chọrọ m ya were m ya na WhatsApp mpụta meji ya to ha ma na ebuko biga dio oh, because big diriri. Ndi ranyi garagbosi ogbu. Guys, itiga kana share button na share. Hama ebuko big diriri. This is just the preamble. The men woto is coming. The men BP is coming. I'm so ho. I stay crying. Guys, tinya kana share. Suppress the report. Share. Ndi rangi garagbosi ogbo. Nebuko bigangu. Mana Chineke who is coming. Hello? 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 Okay. Okay, thank you. Don't know about ambassador package. Chineke akbo n'oku. Ndị anyị gara gbosi agbo. Nebuko biganwu mana Chineke si na washe. Nebuko bigadiriri. Ebuko bigadio. Anya digo ready for wahala. I couldn't hear that deeper. Now anya digo ready before I proceed. You guys share this thing. Come go share this video. Share this program. Tinya kana share button. I am disappointed by owner shares. Huh? Oh lo. Oh, lo. Hello? Hello? Okay, go on.
Ndiro ya garuru ga Igbo.
Ay! Killing me. Hey! de bua. Che. Bua me because toron me bua send there me na what's up. Hey, Chimu bua me bua. Bua no me bua. When am I going to learn how to sing this song? Bua no me bua. Not gonna kill me. Kill me. Any dream bua. So that I'm not going. Man, I'm going where hey, get this thing.
Views. You know that kidney transplant. If coming on social media to lie against me, talking rubbish, twisting the message to make Facebook money, where will you be to eat the money? I ain't want to go plan on ground. Anything you said about me now, you must prove it beyond human evidence. You must prove it very, very well. We have men now that will keep you busy for 1 year and 2 years. In a case, I am foreign online. Every case, we are already out. Come away the second twice. I'm dragging. Keep on busy until they go in with on Facebook album. Next time, a man I think money be a
Did you get the message? Did you get the message? And when one idiot, somebody send them on Facebook here. Mashonya ho him need the video and I watch all these idiots. Him need the just the link. O should na the idiot. The idiot should na ga akwo before you have ship bikobi. Now listen, let me tell you. You don't need to stop. You get spent day every kobo. E para na Facebook. Yem na wagi ha operation sweep Facebook. Operation sweep stupidity. Akono yene mena. Who motivated others to start doing the same? Ebuka Obi. Who motivated Ebuka Obi? Me and Kosayon. Yes, I should daddy anye kwechilila o. Daddy ashimba, she daddy. I know about daddy she ihuna the importance of ihan ha igbarage. She huna this time around we no go clean for anybody. And what do you got? See, I have some people that say, okay, she not talk to him. I don't they ignore you. I want them time to respond to you, but the action wagi. Who are the people behind this earthquake? Tagiaramu, this gospel singer Chinwe. Now this guy, before the matter okpu Udele. Tagiaramu, this Chinwe, the gospel singer. Let me tell you guys one thing. Any day, Tagiaramu has shared this program because I want to tell them, you know, the things he gave men at this their movement. These are Gozie. This guy and a Gozie comedy. Let me tell you the moves this guy gave Jibiana. And if you guys fall for it, and all these people that listed somebody else share this program and tag them. Tag Chinwe, tag this Obasi. Messi Chinwe. Thank you. Tagaram the Obase young man and Tagaram the Messi Chinwe. Now, my brothers and sisters, listen to me. Any day you guys accept any apology from all these miscreants that listed and tarnished and gave you guys sleepless nights for these few days, any day you guys fall for this crap of apology, another person will use you guys to climb. Let me tell you, people will use, oh, you guys are Christians. Oh, you guys are born again Christian. Oh, you guys are not supposed to do this. Oh, you guys put deaf ears. Do not listen to any stupidity. This is how they manipulate some weak minds. Read from Genesis to Revelation. Until Bible end here. Let me tell you one thing you should understand. As far as you live on this earth, you are a Nigerian citizen. You pay your taxes. You do the needful. You follow the rules and regulations, the laws, and you respect it. Whenever you have this kind of discrepancy, whenever you have this kind of trouble, the only people you should run to is the same police force. You cannot run to God in physical fights. I just want to give you guys this little wisdom. You cannot run to God with this physical fight that you know that you are governed and the rules on this earth under the Nigerian government. Let me give you another example. And he wanted the line to call the person he got working Nigerian police to come and help you. You cannot call God to come and do the physical fight. That your governor, your president, your senators have been implement this law. Even this kind of problem that they want people that you should call. The number is easy. 911. I not got church here. Some people say America do not go to church. I just they look them, they laugh. Because you're stupid. Left and right again. The only person I got for me when armed robbers or you any person hijack remote to give Nigerian police. I got watching to come down. Do not be deceived by this their narrative. Allow God to fight for you. In on what? Not under the government. I salute the emergency CEO. Not under the government of Nigeria Institute and Nigerian laws. Even when this kind of problem, you take it to the right authority, which you guys did. I am proud of Obasi. I am proud of Chinwe, Mercy Chinwe. I am proud of your husband. My respect to people that value their rights. You know now the necessary thing to do. Apology is no. If Agozie need to render apology, he should go to court and render that apology to the court of law. It has nothing to do with you. Don't buy this narrative of allow Christ to fight for you. No, this is the way to manipulate your common sense. If you wanted Christ to fight for you, go to heaven and live there. Then you look for them to come and fight for you. As far as you live on this earth, it went a problem. Nigeria, I want me to register Homotogi and then go. I shall go and sit down. He said the simple truth. I shall go. Okay. I shall. When you want it done. Get the kind of dog who be advice. Who is on it? And make go dream that and come tear chaka. What's now one year more chaka? I got me tea chaka. So I don't know how may balk Kurakuro. Yan and the Tibia and a Ricola Ima on the Tibia and a contract. So one stay. Have got on a distract. I'm never with them video can. Come back about tea chakanke. Oh, one them okay. We have a ceremony, but I'm a tea chakanke. You want to go? So, chill with my brother. Sorry, Chinwe, my sister. Gina Digi. Any apology. Any apology. Because if this guy, Omenala AY and what do you call it? AY and MC Mbakara. He apologized to them and they let him go. That is why he had the impetus to continue. If you don't put an end to this, that is why I told. We personally, the Zion people, has declared the idiot wanted. As I'm talking to you now, please share this program because I'm going to program today. Got be too much. Obu a lot of information now. Page him under attack. Please share the program. I know they are attacking my page. Now share and click love. Now share and click. I'm going to get any news each or any be one on my page. I will be the one to tell. And I'm at the okpu like Annie Dawn. Annie Dawn na ate okpu eze. Annie Dawn na because yana ndi dibia. And then the Christian what do you expect? Who is Annie Dawn to advise Ebukobi? And I go do there with them that video come ni hokuru. Come get Tiaria Ishi. Mtiari cha Ishi she adrekwa normal. Because she na wari sometimes. Annie Dawn enwe bokuru. Yaku wichi hu yakura asu. Yaku wecha na asu yakuri. You know? When you are being, there wouldn't have been a shady on Anke Deji and Anke Omenala. What do you expect? Eh? You want to go? Then there's Susuare. Oh, my brother, I'm a kuya hammer, Ishi Kuchaya, maybe brain here reset here. Maybe I'm my way at the Saga Mataya, who you, Yamata, that's it. Okushiriku one place. Go up in a barrack, a Pambura hope under his brokos. Yak one place. Because I'm the top of Pambura one and done about it 247. On a like a very, on a like a one place. No problem, yeah. So come back and video him. When no ya, but then I will come and reply him. Cause on a coil for them. You want to go? On my hair born, yako. Anything is set and you don't brain. And you don't know that kind of money image you honor and mind your business. That even who are you to advise a book of you? Iri Ji Gole. Ego and daddy bad and yakin faking a pahana is sware. Iri Ji Gole. We are not fighting. I like you as a party. Any dream minister, good thing in your brain. So your brain are these threats. You are not worthy to speak for Ndi Igbo. Okay? That is what you do. Who are you to advise them? Because some Omenala na go bunde Christian na bonuge. So I don't get money image on na contract ndo because I got kujagi but then Ishi and Suogo okay. You want to go? Ishi are not in one place. In a Omenala, you better stay on your own. Because I don't have a war again. You better tag on the don here. Come by the truth. And you don't remain your leno. Because I don't know that Ota Hasha Oge Ogu. Guys, share this video and tag on the don. On a query too much. Anyway, I want you done business come to be many things in Jiribia here. Can face go there face. On a book be advice you gotta go child with all these pagans. He won't say you were Christian. And you done in a book be advice that you were Christian, that you guys speak the same language. Or you guys speak the same Bible that unto what and you don't unto again. Unto again. I am not going to go out if I'm not going to confuse. Even I don't know Omenala. When you name I say, oh, ambassador. What in the preaching your Bible now? Why you don't know there? Because it's against this Christianity part. And you don't know. Go your way. Do your Omenala thing and stay clear from here because I'll get rich go. And I put a dog fam. And know me. I'm not be whom I get the number. But I'm not be whom make wagging away shoku. Now a contract in Omenala now. Collect contract, huh? Christians know they call you contracts. So you better keep your mouth shut and mind your business. You know in any level. Onyo go more no yenaga church anahan no can the same meeting. Onyo go more no yenaga church anahan no the same meeting. You don't speak the same language with the same language of a spiritual man. Okay? He decided no Omenala ke gana agbogu. Ne gana worship. Worship the Omenala and stay away from Ebukobi. You when he basragi na Bible. When he basragi na Bible. Now collect a contract guys, click share. They are reporting my video. Click share and love. Click share and love. Now share. In a share gonna click love and like. Click share and like. Agala ma pa ha ke oboji ha. Inenye Ebuko be advice kikije wurugini. Can you quote one place in the Bible and preach? Stay clear. Collect making a collect from our pan. And it done when one day putara who against Okite. And it done him and a human being they won't keep. And it done don't let me face you. Don't let me face you. Do not allow me to face you. And it done. Stay clear. And when I one day put a he has made the bags. That's it. Okay, and human beings are involved. And when any day put a back wooya, and when any day put a back condemn one, he ended to be a mother of man. Eh? Everyone first you go, mind can go do that to your video. Let me listen to your video first. Because I'm happy deviate from okpu de la. And when any day put a back, okay, na-enwe adị mma mmadụ a na-eji eme sacrifice awụma na dibia contain sacrifice awụma na-eji mmadụ agwọ ya you want to pray ha na agwọrọ gị ọgwụ onye don dide ha na-emere gị tụtụtụtụtụ ha na-agwọrọ gị something ha na-egburu gị something and don stay clear oh stay clear mind your way that is why you're not steady akwamburu amu ahi ibu under your blockos na agba every minute and when did they putarashi okay ta na-eme adịrọ mma kwuo ni ya no ka contract gị end ya kwuo ya ko end ya stay away mind your business leave ebuko be alone borrow one shoe no mere one ihu nu na-eme it has nothing to do with it because you nwere platform ento na ma dokwa gị vam imana him na-emesi na celebrity saga federal saga and my like unu putamu na ese ya gwa ma gwu nu ke the truth gbero ni amachis because unu na like eziokwu you know I like lies and lies and lies and lies in a big putresa they putresa guys share click love and I'm not many people now watch I'm going to help you the reports and I'm not click love and like no this I'm just show no share on the man na share no na tag na you turn here because on ko erika. Now let me go back to this chemange channel video again. Come who go the hair koro. Come who go the advice then I will come for you. Let me go to okay, thank you. Keep telling me because I don't see then I watch him again. Report to here bidona. I'm just showing to click in love and like. Now let me go to Udele. Sorry, can put up Chinwe. My sister Chinwe. My sister, my brother Obase. Please do not give room for apology. If Agozie needs to apologize, he needs to go to court. Go there and render that apology. As it is now, it's no longer in your hand. Do not listen to you a Christian, leave everything for God to fight. No. God has given you the common sense, the ability to reason above every creature. Both animal, both whatever they call that is another creature, another world. God has given you the ability to reason. Okay? I like the step you guys took. Kiddos, I respect you guys. You want to go? So, kiddos to all of you. You guys has done noble. Take it to the highest authority. Please forgive. Oh. Don't forgive no day for this matter. They should come. You will run a DNA. If you want to, it's optional. I'm not telling you, my sister. They should come and prove. Even looking at that child, the child resembles Chinwe. The child, as that child grows, he will change. Imagine a change under Mupe was stupid people that needed Facebook validation, Facebook click and like. You think you continue to destroy people's personality? You make up story, you fabricate things. This time around, everybody must test it. Take the person to the right authority. Yeah? I go see, this is, you see, we are not AY. I am disappointed in AY. You gave me child for this case. Then you withdrew it. For what? When a child is growing, the child name with different faces. You obtain different faces, that child until you just stabilize him. The baby look like the father and Chinwe. Bring their faces together. You will see they look alike. But because of the evil that people now show how to destroy family. They want to destroy family. They want to destroy your reputation. They're looking for every means to destroy what you have worked so hard for. And they think they can destroy it just like that and you let them go. Take them to the right authority. Sabab, you come and prove it to every reasonable doubt. Chinwe, do not pay any attention to that apology. Don't you ever try it. Gospel Songa, being a Christian has nothing to do with that. Follow the law. You are under law. You are governed under law. Don't allow this stupidity to subject you to rubbish. Follow it woto. Let him come and that guy, we declared him wanted as well. Now listen, share this video before I make this declaration, before I put this thing out there, before I'm listen. Share this program because I want everybody to, please, our legal team will put 500,000 naira. Anybody that gets Agozie right information, where Agozie stays, how he can be arrested. As soon as Agozie is arrested, and you get that 500,000. If you know this Agozie whereabouts, as I'm talking to you now, because we have declared this Agozie wanted. I can also post the wanted. Hold on, let me see whether the wanted list. I can also attack the wanted list here. If you can locate Agozie as soon as possible, as soon as they arrest, you can't just give information and say, let's give you the money. Get this thing straight up so you will not get me misunderstand. It gave me misunderstand. If you can locate Agozie his whereabouts, Ebono and Agozie a may arrest as soon as possible. As far as I am on a police station, we will give you the 500,000. Share this program. Put it out there. Whoever knows this young man location, put information across until they may arrest. You don't know that police, that IG office. That IG office. We will give you your 500K right away, cash. This is not a joke. Very important. Then another person, they declare another person wanted. One after another. Let there be sanity on this blue app. Because things are getting out of hand. Because if you don't put an end to this madness, people will destroy people's marriage. People will destroy what people have worked so hard for. All of them, I get Ige Gonishiha. Amuchihalage. And you get the money. Osubo. Imanana whereabouts, yeah? Imanana his whereabouts, where he sleeps, which hotel that is hiding, how that is hiding now. Wherever you are, Egitenya, get what I come to get, and you get the 500,000. Osubo. Now, apart from that, let me go to EFCC. Okay, Bobrisky. Bobrisky. Information reaching me to the high authority of EFCC. Yes. Somebody guaramo. There. Level 7 is the highest level na EFCC. For those of you that knows what I'm saying. Or 7 is the highest level. So I got information from a senior officer that the reason why Idris Bobrisky was arrested is because he omega money laundering, number one. Not only that, Oteshe step ego yabene money abuse, and they have been warning Bobrisky. Bobrisky kept deaf ear. Then when mad. But anyone wanted him what that person she. I know in on a high level of this EFCC, but tomorrow now, if something be somebody with the akazume like you imani gala viral now. And people are putting eyes on you guys. I hope you again make other ones. Make sure that you guys carry this matter and use Bobrisky as an example. Can you to for once? I will also come out here and praise EFCC for the job well done. One of that senior officer today. Shia, actually, praise you. I want to come out here to tell people with my platform. Tomorrow now, the story will still change. Why can't we come out here and tell the whole world that Nigerian authority is doing more marvelously well? The same platform AJ destroy you and glorify you. Why can't we do the same? The person is saying, man, now. Alisa, you had our conversation this morning. I am now senior of 7 is the highest rank na EFCC. Saw him now where today share. Listen. Although more share damage and the EFCC and the police. Can't we use the same platform to praise you guys? Must everything be damage? They did not do this way. They did not do this way. They did. At least use your Bobriskia. Let us know that you guys are working. Okay. So that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Now let me leave this Bobrisky matter. Now let me come to Chukwuka Udele. Guys, share this program. The sweetness of this story is now here. You want to go? The sweetness of this story is now here. When Netiga can share button. Oh no, Chorino, the main story no here now. Ne click ndana report bo. Ne click in the love. Your voice is loud as hell. Really? I don't know. People keep saying that don't get you. I'm going to hide. Oh, I'm not going to radio. I don't know. But I put too small. No, no. Go ahead. Garlic is one name. Garlic was my 5 and 6 now. Onye she just stop. Samuel, don't you ever push me. I push you while I'm more. Ichori again. Gamono wayo. Kuruwan kita ganaka. Jenyo manyane. Gang 1 minute. There with the popcorn will do. Don't hurry me. Anwa palaya anwa. Nota yang barage. Don't say talk or map in your gano ya. I should give you a video. Gana choke and share again. Please, if you want me to read your comments, I don't know where you are watching me from. Follow Ogechoke Kenjakatre, that page. Oh, 11,000 followers. Follow Ogechoke Kenjakatre. Eba okay, come gonna hold your comments. Click like. Now, Udele. I got a call to that day. If Udele if Buruga that day, found on a small apayaha or yobo. Now, Erulana courts. Udele haneti, Nequeshrinia bear, Equeshrinia ke, Georgia Shia. Or Wugiga Waha. Oh, you know one thing about these Udele people. They are hard to tell the truth. Like this guy, let me show you his video before I will forge ahead. And I'm like, Chere. I can't mind her name, get with the full story. These people can lie. Okay, can say Rube. Emmanuel Udele he post well and now we go already. Can say Rube. Une decide to start scamming people on social media. When Udele always come online and say, Imenka, Mabo Alahaji, Kezi onyo Oshinaga Bochere. I saw the name. Oshi, Mabo Alahaji, Bu Bokara, Musa, Umusa, Mohammed. Amam Keche pronounce their name. Now, Udele, my question is, where are those people in a mono? Because the last time I spoke to Onishinde DSS, I mean, the overall, the last time I heard him talk, he said, he has no business with you. Now, I didn't DSS and I suppress people that they are not aware. Now, my question, why are you guys raising money with your connections? Let me tell all of you, for those of you that are on social media, now say, write down. Now, let me use Ken as an example. Everybody have forgotten Ken now. Ken on name exists. Even people that came online to raise money for Ken. Ebidobowa Hoshi. Bidobowa they are scamming Ndi Igbo. Let me tell you, if you don't have anybody, you will go the connection, you need to have money. Nigerian problem. Or would that thing with a connection alone? Those connections again need ego to listen to you. This thing should teach all of you lesson. All of you here. Does it mean that you guys don't have money before you start making trouble? Because now, as far as Nigerian authorities and law, only bully. Anybody only bully, you must come and answer it in the court of law. Are you getting it? Let me tell you, Ebukobi made it clear. Evangelist Ebukobi of Charafancha. Baby virgin, and we are proud to call him a virgin with the full chest. Oh, a virgin. That is why you don't know Puna Benambezu. Oh, Mahan. Oh, you mean Yashi Onya game here game o me because all clean. Even in the Mozi, Shine Lubada, hesitant no why. The Mozi was not holy. They slept with some beautiful women. Imagine it's only to one way and so. Gini meri ho kuru aga na mezu. Prophecy with solution. You understand what I mean? So, Udele na, my question, why are they posting you to solicit for money? So you don't have money every day. You threaten people. You threaten people. Now where is Ken? Ken, no, share right down. Send your account. Let me put 20,000. Let me put 30,000. Where is Ken? Nobody. Even people that brought out waja putarane nega bereza akwakwala ebonde hamanishi ya balaga. If you don't have money, don't make trouble. Who is calling me? You guys should stop calling me these group calls. I'm a delete, you know. I don't want to be in that group. Those days are over. Stop calling me group calls. I'm no longer involved. I'm no longer interested. And I'm amazing here. What's up? So, Udele. So, in when anybody, let me tell you, you guys will exhaust all the money. And what be you know? That idiot to many when imi oja. That one on no problem woman in England. No, that imi, let me show you. That imi oja. No, before go share go mahajakanike. That useless man. Well, show me your friends. I will tell you who you are. You want to go? Let me show you. This a free. Chayawo no never dimini to this Udele platform. This autono. Okay. Look at. I heard that you were. Guys, share this video. This annoyer. I'm not yet the queen mother, the queen chideke no mother. The imi oja. Imi oja forja. A very hopeless man like Udele. This thing, this city. Echekwa no wonyo wola. Toroni mere with common sense. Why are you not telling people the truth? Why are you not telling that Akaju de la carrier negi carrier generation, okay? Why are you not telling people the truth behind this? Guys, click love and like and I'm home mother na watch them. Click love and like. Let me block you up with negi one of the same laws. Oh yeah, goodbye. Oh we mean negi about keep negere. About keep negere. Oh idiot like you. This are no here now puta now shuno Udele is not broken. Udele remain there for being formidable. Udele is this. Tell the bastard to tell on a kewe shioku. Udele is not coming out anytime soon. Guess it's not gonna share button and I'm a watch him. I'm gonna go no kewe shioku. It's here. Now Putana Udele is remain formidable. Udele is not broken. Udele is in a high spirit. Udele is in a dead spirit. Do you know that these people went to court and tell Udele? She had become Putan, Yana has a picture, and no time. Because Udele was so furious in the court. Udele was so mad in the court. Hashiamba. Now I just suppose me Udele was so angry. Because they keep denying it to all the access. You guys are just crying for nothing. Imana position Udele mere ukeji post way on Facebook. Kashwan Udele is in a high spirit. Udele is in a dead spirit. Udele is the question Udele how many times will I or Udele yana him anything? Can see him gadget on a bar by this time. Why am I here? Why can't you get it here? Oh, that's in Dana. Ashia cool down. That's it. Now, okay, now bouquets Yanishi. Now put on social media man about that Udele is in. Why are you guys telling Udele to pose? Why are you guys telling Udele to make people see that all do happy? Udele is crying on a daily basis. Hashia Yiri white. What the white represent? White represents that everything is okay. Things are moving forward. Ham apples when rotan. Nkana where the idea. Nambe ya who woto here. So Udele who doesn't have koto yan rotan. Who pose the short from whatever you eat, the point is that Udele gano get gear. Udele cannot see this sky. Go and mark my works. If you are deceiving, and when you not contribute to the money, all of you one after another. As somebody else next year, next upper year, all of you must enter. And where can get the West Stone I get leave on tongue. Unu ni nega putaga proof for you ni nukuru. Anom ni shi una wahala. So if Rabene Udele advice, you know task a picture. I don't know task a picture. Ya the way I got the record. I Jim the record. Jimmy ya. Oh no ya pem. Oh hashime play brace something nankopa. But I can make you on na kwa. Na mamu una inside that they give me the info. Nderi. But people unke we jokunu Udele aga hu ekereke until the day abobe no longer. Nihu no national human rights. Human rights again. Bia oga human rights. Go and sit down. Go and have something to do with your wife. Leave Udele matter because Udele matter. Agwaran shewere my friend. Here case Udele kararege. You cannot maneuver this case. Akaju Udele karare akan. Akaju Udele karare. Udele ga no tanya. You go kwete no name. And when the amount of money you need to read that we don't know. And when the amount of movement you need to read. So you guys should not waste this 10 kobana to tarun on social media. It will not pave way. Can I listen to Itia? I listen to Itia. I know here. You know who the any conducive place in a video. Guy to be me called Chane, but
Good afternoon.
Very useless man. Look at the Mositi. E.T. You know, channel really go Majakanika. Chineke Bokwa Goku. You is very hopeless.
The connection wasn't strong, so let me get back to the building.
No, Farianya.
So I can connect to the Wi-Fi. Basically, first, the king of the game, Ijele, is in high spirit.
Lie.
He wasn't.
When he had the high spirit.
His greetings across, and he asked them for no one to panic. He's not disturbed. He's not broken. He's more than ever ready and determined to see this to the logical and legal end. So I believe at some point today, the club will publish what did happen today. So he was in court.
Nobody's publishing anything. I have publish. Preacher, unuga publish. We decided not to publish nothing. Are you afraid that we know what is happening? Are you afraid? Aware. Oh, so I know they are life and direct. Why are you lying to people? Tell people no could you over. Upon boasting Udele boast so that nobody will arrest him in this life. That anybody touch him. Na anybody touch him, no waga babia bo. That the whole world will come to an end. Because where is Udele connection? Udele connect. You know, I know Udele has deceived many of our many of you. But on kako jechanya follow yola. Come on, get out. Okay. Come on, get out and get the fuck out of here. Comment again. Campaign you up, okay? Allow which court to uphold. So you guys will come out and be deceiving people. Chore scam, huh? Ego no na to furo Udele coming out. For you telling me to shut up, allow the court. So you guys couldn't shut up to allow the court to take over. Una biane kuoku. Ashma apa hegibo wakwa. Oh, ono bia deceive chande matagama putababa ndemazike we shioku. That you guys are lying. There's nothing like it. The broken is not broken. The broken has been broken. The broken is pieces. And we had the car, anything. The broken has been broken. And when the car is not broken. No guy who person not go talk. Comment again, Kapamu Gebowa. Comment again, Kapamu Gebowa. Waja, Ndala. Ride on Udele. If you are not afraid, make una go arrest Udele. If you guys are not afraid, go and arrest Udele. Some bastards, some Ishi, some many women amu, some in the dry season they delete channel those videos they made. I wonder why did you guys delete it? You guys was giving him go, carry on, they go, they move. Now you be the organ, now you be the reverend. We got you. You are the boss, you are the heaven. Why did you guys delete those videos? You was busy giving him accolade. Carry on, they go, move. That has now been broken. Has been broken. Everything has scattered. Udele is in scattering spirit. When Udele was agitating in the court. Why am I still here? Why am I still here? Unanashia kulo tano makagene. Unanashia kulo tano ma. Go no happy video teba. Video be. No, we are not posting nothing. We are not posting shit. I want to get post a picture. I want to go post something. I want to go post Simo. You want to go? Okay, I want to contribute to Udele. Can take permission. He contribute to Udele. Je contribute to Udele. A pipe we palm mama here we ask scatter. They contribute to one Ndala. And I query. What Udele was performing in the court of law that yesterday or 2 days ago. What happened? Why Udele was crying? I say any China, just suppose. Okay, people so the fans are worried. They are worried. They want to see. They are worried. Idiot itia. Let me ocha. Come on, Jebu justice. Jeputa ya oja boy ko. We put in the oja boy ko je forward. Pio. Unana ha pasi. Unana ha pussy. Guys, click love and like. Unana ha pasi oja. Unana ha pussy. Kaka. Chaputi miga kenyo oja boy. Go with a new contract. Keji awopi. Bala. It has not been broken. The spirit is hard. The spirit akojala. Udele was shedding tears. Udele ne bapa. Oh, I get into it legal team. I shall play the video. Oh, we get Jack on the post. I'm going to post on a copria. Just call him any. Ndala.
He appeared in immaculate white, willing to face everything brought before him. But as we have witnessed, for those of us who are privy to what is happening, the other party, they keep trying to employ every form of delay tactic, up to the extent one of the fat buffoons, try causing some havoc within the court premises or inside of the court premises. But the case has been adjourned to Monday next week. And he said I should make this known. He's not disturbed. He's not backing down. He's determined to face this to the logical end. But the only delay tactic is being employed by the other party. So I wouldn't say some certain things. And I saw the practice to do the delay tactics as well. If we are applying delay tactics, why are you crying? Even if we are using delay tactics, are you not competent enough?
My question is, ihe ni unu na aba na eti unu beziri ka abia na sympathize with una na ekwu deletitis ma na ajugi gini mere unu anaghị ewere una fastatitis. Why are we using the deletitis to suppress the omega, the heaven of Udele? The only man, nobody can arrest him on a heaven. Why are you now not using on a fastatitis? And then they use that. Look at, they are crying that we are doing delay. What can they do fast? Is it not the same day? Why are you not crying that the other party are using the delay? Use the fastatitis. Why are you crying? If you use delay, you use fast. Fast and delay. Which use your fast. If you use delay, you use the fast. Why are you crying that we uphold the delay? It will not come many. That is why you cannot apply your fastatitis. Yeah, I will use the delay. Get you so fast. Get you no fast. Abamu no kujara kuja. The potamu didamu dikeka ipe ya. Get kuturu ya abamu. You cannot use the fast and you use the delay. Why are you crying? That that only rant. Don't have nothing to back their miserable self. Let me tell you, you have millions of people who deceive you. Haga no taya. Then go kwetele no me. Akuchuna piaunu. Apiaunu amkumbura munu. Aga pionu ya. Suna the incompetent. Ndala. Easily delay. Look at a man who may put on na deletitis. So you cannot apply fastatitis. And a query. Ne brainwash some fools. Then I won't learn that Udele is coming out. Udele ain't coming out. Udele this freedom has been subdued by the highest authority.
So, I don't give out much information, but like I did say, I believe in a few hours from now, more videos, pictures, and what did happen will be published on different media outlets.
Are you worried?
Print and print and televisions. So, guys, the king of the game is...
The guy cannot even express fluently. He cannot even something very smelling thing. Look up, I'm walking. White. While there is no wisdom in your brain. Look at it, John. You can't even make a fluent sentence. Not tired, you not go to here. You need to take a ticket. Buy ticket, la there. That stand there for Udele. I'm Uramu get an dog, a billion. Yeah? I'm okay, your papa, okay, Quaggy Bullion. Go on now. Is he not your friend? And he said that Udele is finished. All these things you're not going to play in court now like this. You are making his case to worse. I got Kutayari lawyer. Ugarella lawyer, Chaloya, ya payable question. Mark my words. You know what I get here, but Jenna record the book record. Udele ga no tanya. Udele ga kwete no neme. Next time. Anyu chu Udele mpakwo, aga nyu ya mpakwo. And when any of you go unpunished, go write my words down. No lam bora gene get to ya. Feature reference na make hu ya. Oh gas so get chaka. E ga no tanya. Apa bloggers dey kwete no neme. Here we go ha abacha babu onwe ha. Here we go, ha, bachakbabu onwe ha. Oba. I get kill you, they kill you. No, I'm going to get money up the wine. It got 2 million up to dry. No, okay. This your mouth. This your mouth. The clitoris no here. I ought the wine. You ought the wine no here. The pagi. The pag one the pagi. See you. Pehone. I the wine. Nga. The bang, if Peggy lips to Hajari, okay. Get got rap 1 on. Oh, only judge at Tommy. Ega me, Ega choka, oh, need till I got it dry. Because he will messed up, man. We can organish. Let people eat a we wrote the one in that. Chineke Punogon, very useless thinking man. On your panguru. The Shuniana, if I'm lying. Wait. There. And I here. And I who the bad the DT. And I have a telegram, Neki. Ishagiji, Neki. I have passed to share it with Udele. It's all yellow on the baby. And I have to Udele come and watch it. The lap so get and all we Neki. And I have passed to go and watch. The people Neki one. The pillar Neki. The Pahan. Can you tell this wine not here? Oh, you don't wine not here. Look at it. The fire. Very nonsense, unkept idiot. Oh, one empire nimi. I wake ya pium. Ya baggy. Very smart. You know, I see the pium. Come inside. Kike unegi. Keep on a telegram. Keep unegi. And I have best to unegi. You want to tell Anna have best to look for it unenu. Rubbish things. I'm only will get be a watcher. Be a watching unegi na telegram. Do I know you? I'm only very just look at lost and found. Issue on your Kerala Nayana or Gamatalia Maru Nigeria. The man will not locate in Kerala Nayana Bagirudia. So we are I got a new updates. What problem? Unuwe. I get a telegram. And actually piano, let's see. Come on, let's see. Ndala. Nonsense people. That's the listening to you're not broken. It has in a half spirit. You're broken. Also like you shoot the Rea monkey say picture. We know what he's going through. We know what he's going through. Allah.
Doing fine. He's healed and healthy. He's sound. He's strong in spirit. He's not broken. He's not shaking. And he's not even disturbed at all. All he has remained was his earlier stance. He wants to follow this legally and see this to the logical conclusion. But it's funny enough that the other guys, they keep dragging their feet. They keep running. So, like I did say to many, this is a long haul. We've not scratched the surface yet. Like those who have had experience with legal battles, it's not something that will end a day or two. And we are not.
Thank God you are telling them it's not something that will end a day or two. Use the approximately 5 to 10 years or two. Don't use a day or two. Because you get a day or two, those your gullible, miserable, smelling brain. Those your gullible, miserable, small brain. I got what you're saying. But how we get in the 10 years to 15 years to come. Just tell them the truth. No, they use a day or two, or one nature or the other about. Put it to them because you know, because una IQ the very poor. So narrate it to a way they will understand it. You feel me? Brown skin girl. Narrate it to a boga. What I want to share a day or two. Yari oh, I want to Jerry. Ya sound unoma. Mera explain it in details. That all good that I will bring them more. Egun chakashanya. Age yi Udele egwu. Age yi egwu. Chow. Aga na biya mbura kwamu ya we hoje opa hu na yuru. Age yi egwu. Rubbish.
For any peace, all we want is justice. When I say we, I mean Ijele nation and people of same mind. We are resolute, determined to see this. Even if this case is going to drag on for God knows how long, we are willing to go through.
The same way Udele Petition and the Kano is not coming, is not seeing the daylight. Now I am sitting here telling you that Udele will not see the daylight. The same way Oje any update Basara na Kano. Can get you on Ishia? Make it update ya. Oga who the broad daylight anya. Here in a cool story in a cool. The same way on Apple 24/7. Should not the Kano can never come my hand. All the same way with the luggage in or dear. Till eternity. Ige kwete na aka no the Ili Ji. And we be here me run to ego. Na solicit for 1 naira 2 naira. Abia unu chuno efu na. Ko nega turu ibe ego. Who will contribute to each one of you? And I'm a June. And we be him and 1 naira 2 naira. Click love and like and share. Share this program. They are reporting me. Oh, we're not talking poor because when I go get the thing they click it off. When I go get here click it off. I'm not today off day. I am off today doing my thing. Click love and like. You know, and at the point now they will kick me out. Oh, here, honey, man. Facebook will definitely kick me because you guys are not sharing. Tagging love. Come here, getting down up on group call. Can these people? They might be a block wound. Don't worry. I don't want this in a relationship anymore. I know in them when I know in that circle of rubbish anymore. Get the mark carry go. I may so see you much cut a one, but I don't know what's up. I go. It's over with. Not in my group. She might be a block. No, where. No. I choose my friends. I choose who to associate with. Guys, yeah, key came off. Bad. Bad. You want to go?
So today the magistrate adjourned till Monday, but we understand what is going on. So all we encourage is other parties to be brave enough to come. They brought this litigation. They, did what they need to do, and it's no longer news. How can they have a court proceeding when the court never sat on the 21st? But that's a different kettle of fish. We'll come at that later. Like I did say, there are different.
You go explain, Taya. You go explain. Nobody say I explain when you are busy with Udele. Now she unegi me telegram. You go explain, Taya. The other party are delaying. Can you fasten it? Where may something na here fasting ya. If we are delaying, do something as do something. Why are you complaining? Why are you here dropping out snow one niggy? Big head for nothing, big for nothing. You can't let you bleaching. Party you for the black, party white. Big for not. What are you explaining? Do we give a toss? And you to him, man. What if I give a like I can't tell? Oh, 27. Oh, men are fighting, and it's this slow not very fast. I make chowny. I Udele bachagi. This child and bell lawyer and they water. Nice yara national human rights. It's just wasting your time. Ego to go ya for decades. No gato ya. Give my head decades 10 years. No gato ya for decades. No gato ya for decades. You got no time. Why he do? Nenye had details about Nnamdi Kanu. I know I'm not that your position now. I can make details man kegi. Amusuan ishamuro kega wuro and when they kage dere any working we working where think about it. I wish I will working. Una my hair woman did to pray. Not had the 2 rockets. I wish I will working. What I go? You working. Very useless man for that matter. Look at them. Look at them. Nothing to show for. That is what this dirty smelling thing does. Show me your friends, I will tell you who you are. They no gino. So you don't have money. You got call for tell you 20,000 pounds or 40,000 pounds, 50,000 pounds. To come and defend your so-called messed up friend, Anna Udele. Nobody. I want the Jagaban of Nigeria. I'm president. I'm governor. Udele, next time you want the kebu or buka, you run for your dear life. You want the kako about Zion, you run for your dear fucking life. Imashi mgbe Chineke chọrọ ịpọnishi Fero ọ duchiri ya ntị duchie ya akpa ọkpụ duchuo ya akpa amụ ọnụhụ ntị until okwu Chineke mezuo n'ime ndụ ya. When we are warning Udele didn't listen. Ana eto ya king of ọkpụ nne ya king of amụ akpa nna ya. The stupid thing yana amali elu akaza ine patama tie gi ebuka obi patam ticha gi meti ejima gi kwanyere gi ga anwo. You will hear we oga imi eji imi wo imi okpu nwanya ashawo onu clitoris I ga anu utanya I ga make explain Igbo akpa nne gi. Sorry for those of you that said that I should not be using Igbo. I am sorry. I don't know when I will change by using the Igbo Nandamo. It has become part of me. You know, I may use here to know I'm trying to so you will know. Oh, why you come get jabang. You why you the Spirit of God will get what people now. But as it is now, I'm a baby moja upon non, but net in your bere. Any door, mamma shop, or entirely. I'm Papa Monique, Pamoni, Koga, like that. Can it be little by little? Can I get
As to this, so we'll take it one step at a time. Finally, the king of the game is in good spirits. He's not broken. He's doing absolutely fine.
He's not broken.
I know most of us are worried. Yes, we should be worried. We are human. I know most of us are really concerned. And again, on his behalf, I say thank you to all those who have reached out. Those who have genuinely shown their concern. Those who are genuinely showing their,
everybody be around. Ima the Igbo ana anyhow Igbo onyara. Oje jigbeche. Enwere one woman ana akpọ ndaleti nwanyi onyara mgbe na-eje Owerri girls. Iwala ya jigba chem Igbo ya we onye ola lema. O lekwa imigi for come and nyash everybody bialere. Nobody should tell me okay the entertainer you are total. Iwala so oya with the thing lekwa yang the queen up we iri ọkpụ wine. Enweghị ihe no this man okay banuru. Enweghị no ya n'ihu wu representable. Everything no ya n'ihu a problem. Chineke bụrụ gị ọnụ. Anọ na m onwe m gakpo oge echi. Do I know you? You started the fight with ọkpụ nne gị. Anọ na m onwe m you started looking for my trouble mama onye ewu. Gishi Udele na asị gị bịa lee ikpu nne gị na Telegram. Ilechana ikpu nne gị. You're no longer gallivanting inside the Igbo negile on Telegram. You're no longer enjoying it. You can enjoy your Ishi nige kuruya get shonu get kuruya. Aku Igbo negi ke no. Useless thing. I'm here apanguru. Empty bofu. And then let Onyara emergency CEO. Ndale Onyara imana the woman. The woman is every 2 days. The woman up here is for every up the Ndaleti and Daleti Owerri. One Jemanze. Chineke go. This emergency CEO. Iwo no Owerri. Imana henkaga. Uza je federal girls na Owerri girls na Bishop Lasbury. One be me hoku ya. O jiri jahibu ya. Lekwa ya here. See it. I know have emergency here. I need to know you. Yes, that woman. Ejamu every second. The woman not do akakoma. Mande naga. Mande big man. Everybody je visit one. All the oya wonye. You know who I'm talking about. Ndaleti. Oh yeah. One Jamanza shemwe jiria goro ego. What the bank? Okay. Jesus Christ. Exactly the place. Oh, the woman. Oh yeah. And what did the case or Jawarombo? Equire. When the cost of general one part and I want. Hey, Jesus. There, these people. These people. Feka can't tell me I have my
everything is taking shape. He has a team of good lawyers
who
are taking charge of this. The only obstacle we have are the other parties who keep employing delayed tactics.
Obstacle ga digite. Obstacle ga digite. Obstacle ga digite. Oh, my God, me put many things. But obstacle ga digite. When it was Jesus heaven. Can I help Ijele back because let me call una be diphon.
Who keep running, who keep trying to shift the goalpost. But I think
he go explain tire
them till Monday to get themselves together, and hopefully
even Monday there will be another surprise coming. Monday will be a hey Le menga huru chukuka this week ongega here next week. Iga uno ge pete. Kam okpu mu no kam na ata okwu ata. But this little one ngbarake. Le menga here this week ongega here next week. Nothing will change the movement. Aga mege bakwe. I should delete it is. You never see anything. You never see anything. Udele. Hey. You know who bigger on Monday. Una share any channel make a happy video ya. Nanda is a camera bata. If I could eat these idiots, yana Udele. Stop. Can that happen? Nanda jika. Put up a pose. Teach you why to put up a post. Don't be Onya was so oh Ishi, very soon you will see videos, different blog, people will be posting it. No, you get jack a post, and we not go post. Do not go post. Look at you, but camera Camera just a picture. You picture on the canistere more brighter. George Ashia, one more time. Let's stand this to 3 months to come. You go bow. You go bow. You got no time. No, that deceive you. Tonu actually lawyer get jega court lawyer na resume ego. Is the money? Where's the money? Igapu money with the money. Next time, all these idiots down here neti with the no. You guys are just fooling on ourselves. There is no second chance for Udele. Bala. Now from
Monday everything will start. You know, guys, there's no need to be worried. He's not shaking at all. All he stands is on his grounds. You know, this cause is a just cause for all. You know, who are good patriots and who wants to see in a new turn of events, a new change. Yes, the change might not be 360 degrees, but definitely we are going to make impact. And again, on his behalf, he sends his greetings. He has said, he said everyone should be calm. There's nothing to worry about. You know, the only thing at the minute is liberty. is just, you know, curtailed at the minute. Yes, he's not out, but he will be back in court on Monday. And, you know, the case was scheduled for today. The same thing they did last week, Thursday, they played it out today again, which is trying to cause distractions here and there and trying to, you know, drag their feet. But then we are prepared, irrespective of we are swimming against the tide of the Nigerian system. He's more than resolute, he's resolved, he's determined, he's focused, he's articulated, and above all, he's a strong spirit. He's not broken. The
same way, Chere, Atono, shut up, Atono, Meshono. The same way with the Lana, when I pop members in the that Nigerian system are dealing with them, dragging their feet with the Lana Ashe, make ona go drag on her own feet. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten? Now you are in the receiving end. Now you want to come and preach again. What are you saying? The same way that Udele, we are busy mocking IPOP people. She that IPOP people, the Nigeria America, the Nigeria America is the right thing. Nigerians are doing the right thing. You know the way Uja accolade them. It's the same way I'm standing here to say Nigerian authority are doing the right thing. Sarah, they will. Nigerian authority, all these things, you're gallivanting and speaking rubbish, speaking Chinese and barbarian rubbish. Nigerian government are doing the right thing. Yeah. My people, are Nigerian government are not doing the right thing? Are they not doing the right thing? Udele, are they not doing? Why are you crying with Anye? With Anya spiritual, come on, what are you complaining? When the IPOP people, we are complaining that Nigeria did this in the court of law, they postponed it, that they did the right thing. I stand on the same ground and said that they did the right thing. Guys, Nigerian government, you guys are doing the right thing. Have you so memories na flush very easy. Memories na flush very easy. How long I would be now the kind of shift way? That is the normal way. That is the normal proceedings. How long? How many times? And maybe the game get come on, shut up and go inside. You are consistent nuisance. There is explain, no evidence. You are making the heck of noise. So you now, give one up support to the Nigerian government. Wait, go. Nigerian judiciary system. You keep on doing the right thing. So now you are the receiving end. It has become, it's not good. Oh, wash you. You did never even see. Mondays too, you no go walk. Monday it still no go walk. Create more accounts. You want to go? No, use me as an example. Use me as an example. Ima unana what to lulu nana what the meaning. I am using it as an example. I use IPOP as an example. I'm not fighting Nigerian government. They use Rumia as an example. You water the game. You water the game. So what are you? Why are you complaining? Why are you complaining? Anakohiri.
The ground, and he is doing this for posterity. He's fighting for a change that will outlive him, because whether we like it or not, we're all running on borrowed time on earth. But then, as Nigerians, we must contribute our quota to nation building, and that is exactly what the Ijele Speaks is doing.
It's a chabeke, you go inside. It might be chong you go inside. And go chamuni on that leti. What manzegala bu. Ikuchan berecha, you go inside. It's none of our business. The judiciary system is doing it marvelously well. I get me marvelously well Monday coming. Iga put a party mpu. The case will not still hold on Monday. If you wanna doubt, do you really wanna doubt? Guys, kai kokwa. Kai chekwa kabakwa. Kai chekwa kabakwa. Iga put a paku be another cry. There are many ways, and there are many ways to kill a rat, and part of the system is a rat can enyegi. And a goshigia small Ghana Attire.
You know, I can understand from different quarters those who are trying to put out malicious, you know, messages against him, those who are concocting stories against him. I understand. I say we understand where you guys are coming from, but then it will only take a while. Everything will take shape, like I say. We are strongly determined. Ijele is not broken. The ends shall justify the means.
We know.
And hopefully on Monday there should be an update. All we're waiting for, let the court process start. On Ijele's part, on our part, we've never tried anything to, you know, run away from either facing trial or, you know, facing the courts. But the other party, they keep employing every form of tactic. This is a notice that was given to both parties that the court is going to sit today. So you guys keep asking questions. Why are they running away? Why are they causing distraction? Why are they in court trying to foment trouble when there's none? You know, they try to create a scenario where there's none. But then Ijele is determined. Ijele is in strong spirit. He's full of life. He's smiling. And he's willing to pay this price. But all we are asking is for the other parties to be prepared. Like I say, we have not scratched the surface. We've never started a journey. This can linger for God knows how long.
You know that.
You know, this is a legal battle. We are not in a hurry, and we are not looking for any peace. All we want is justice. Guys, I said, let me give you this update, and thank you so much. Don't worry. Look at this one saying he will rest in jail. Don't worry. Onion Dufu will never see daylight. Go and mark it. Onion Dufu will never see daylight.
You see what they're wishing others? And Udele will never see daylight. And Udele will never see daylight. If their onion dufu will not see daylight, Udele will never see daylight. Mark my words. Udele will never see daylight. Whatever you wish others is what you're gonna get. You said their onion dufu will never, and Udele will never see daylight. Justice will prevail. Yana, this guy is educated. Wala, woo, the education. Uno the educated. Ndole na chuno. Ndadi educated. Chuno na chuno. 8 years every year, every time. This guy is educated. Educated with no brain. Education with no common sense. Or the educated hala. Come on, I hear Jana unu pay no toilet infection. Look at it. Look at it. Chama is educated. What do you know about being educated? Nda ndeje hu school ndana chi unu. Unu gurunta guimo still apare akodo unu. Unu gurunta guimo apare akodo unu. Ohe mere na eja pe unu toilet infection year to year na na esusu. Unu gurunta guimo. How many professors ke unu na Igbo? How many doctors? How many lawyers? Still onye kana chi unu. Still, the same people are going to school. Iti. The guy is educated. Iti. Education with no common sense. Education with no common one day. I school yes, sir, yes, sir. Now educated.
Ijele will see the daylight.
Okay.
Sooner than you know.
Woo.
Thank you guys, and speak to you soon.
Ihola shehu magi mudela aga hudela nge no say hunga daylight cause he witi their onion dufu aga daylight is so likewise udela aga daylight iti are educated udela next week is not still gonna hold. Go and mark my works. Age megide unu age shigide unu n'aka n'ala until we are satisfied for the case to go to trial. Iga no da Udele ga no da. You never see it. Also like share na pretend na is a picture name aka abo na aka. Udele will see the test of time. All get test ya little by little. Why will you guys raising money? A bit of doing raising ego. We don't raise ego for what? Can you raise the ego? A bit of raise money ego. Raise the ego for getting. Uno okpu eme. Who they raise